when things don't happen your way, and you can calm down, you're a true follower of that messenger, peace be upon him. You deserve his intercession on the day of judgment. May Allah grant it to us. My brothers and sisters, we get angry very fast. When something in the home doesn't happen, whether it's the child or a spouse or a parent or a sibling, we get so upset. We start venting bad words. We utter vulgar words. And the hadith says a true believer never uses an abusive word. I'm not going to ask you to put your hand up if you've never sworn a swear word in your life, because I think my hands would be down too, and it would be such a big embarrassment. But that was back in the day maybe. May Allah forgive all of us, starting with me. But we must improve. We've said bad words, hurtful words, dirty words, abusive words, and you still claim to be a Muslim, and that's why we're suffering.